Before installing PHP, we'll make sure that Apache 2 is installed and browse to localhost and verify that we can see the Apache 2 default page. When we're ready to install PHP, we'll open up a terminal. We'll go ahead and update our software listing to make sure that we have the list of the latest software available. All the following commands need to be preceded by sudo, or you need to run these commands as root user. To start, we're going to update our software packages. We'll do sudo apt-get update. Now we'll have a list of the latest available modules for download. Once this command is complete, we're going to do sudo apt-get install, and we're going to install PHP and the plugin for Apache that connects PHP and Apache together. Lib Apache 2 mod PHP. First, apt2 is going to download the packages, then it's going to install them. Once that process is complete, we can test our installation. We're going to test our installation by creating a small PHP file. We'll use some editor. It can be Nano, gedit, V, whatever editor you like. If you want something that's more like Notepad, you may want to use gedit. We're going to save the file to var www.html, and we're going to call it index.php. Note that there's already an index.html file there. That's the default Apache file that we see when we browse to localhost. And in our file, we're going to do less than symbol question mark PHP. We're just going to write a very short statement, echo hello world, semicolon, and then we'll close out the PHP statement with a question mark greater than. Save the file. And now let's browse to our file. So we'll go to localhost and index.php. If the installation is working correctly, we'll see hello world written to the screen.